They saw a sudden reduction down to $18,000. This next
Hi, Kitty.
is $60,000. They saw
Hi, Kitty.
a negotiation amount down to just
Hi.
$20,000.
Wow, so people who
Hi.
are you're typically down about half of what
Yeah.
you usually owe. How long does that take?
He's fallen. Pull him over here. Yeah. Here's a Simba. What's your problem?
Well, that is great. And if you are struggling with $10,000 to $100,000 on debt, be one of the first 50 callers to call freedomvet.com and you'll receive a free debt analysis and a copy of their budgeting guide. Call 210-767-6300. Again, 210-767-6300.
Just David Boswell with that Silverback 4 Beach Tracker Club. Not a whole lot is going to change. We're going to continue to see clear skies most of the day on your Thursday. Now, we have shows tomorrow morning. Maybe up a little bit of patchy fog in the area, but tomorrow afternoon, we're going to start to see some changes out ahead of our next cold front. We're going to see more fog cover during the day on Friday, and then even a slight chance of rain starting to develop Friday night into Saturday along that Pacific front that'll move in here early to the weekend. Forecast for today, looking for sunny skies. Should be a beautiful day with an average high today of 73. Tonight, we'll see clear skies for the most part, a little bit of patchy fog down to 51. We'll get back into the 60s as we head towards the start of the weekend, staying there as well on Sunday.
Thanks, Dave. For information on all of today's news and weather, be sure to watch News 4 WOAI at 5 and 6. You can also catch today's top
Look at them. They're just going at it. They're just, wah! Are you a ferocious kitty? Are you ferocious? Yes. Kylie, come here, boo-boo. Come here. Come here. Oh, you gonna come over here? Yeah. You're gonna get in the middle of that fight.
We're not hurting them. They're okay.
Yeah. Silly cat. Yeah, she's silly alley cat. You're silly. Yeah, you're silly. You're silly alley cat. Oh, you're gonna lick yourself now. Is that what you're gonna do? Oh. Yeah.
I wanted a picture of this one.
Boo boo. No, you go that way. Go that way.
Towards me.
Here. Oh, poor babies.
She's willing to go that extra mile because she really thinks this is the guy, right? And sometimes you do get insecure when you really like.
She moved. He's such a sweet little baby. Look over here. Oh, look. Getting a good video of her, though. Look over here. Look over here. Yeah. There you go. Oh, that's mean. You have to hold her.
That's a pretty baby.
You got stuck, didn't you, Simba?
You need lots of sugars. You need plenty of sugars.
Really have difficulty with emotional conflict more so than women do. So. All right, let's get to our next one. This is an interesting question from a woman named Linda. Let's take a listen to her.
Lots of sugars. Lots of kisses.
And my question is, why is it that all younger men assume that women are good? I'm not looking for arm candy. I'm not looking to take care of someone. I'm looking for an equal, a partner.
Hi, Simba. Hi. Oh, do you want your mommy now? You wanna go to mommy? Oh no, you wanna attack my hand, don't you? You're gonna attack me. You don't go and attack me, no. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby. Oh, rah. Look at the ferocious kitty. He's just getting me. He's getting me. Oh no. You poor baby. You just need to... Oh, it's a baby. So cute. And Kylie's just over here. She's all Miss Diva. Oh, you're gonna bite my arm, aren't you? You're gonna bite it? It's a bad kid. You don't go and bite the arm. That's bad. It's a bad kitty. It's bad. Rah! It's a kitty. Nah, you're gonna fall, boo-boo. He fell. Okay. You want your mommy.